Security cameras were installed to catch thieves. Instead, some of them caught something that shouldn't have been there at all. These are 10 stories pulled from real security footage reports, and every one of them has never been explained. Stay till number 1, because the last camera on this list captured something for 6 hours straight, and no one has ever figured out what it was.
Number 10. A family's living room camera watching over a sleeping baby monitor. Every night, at exactly 3 a.m., the empty crib in the corner of the frame would start rocking gently, on its own, for exactly 4 minutes. No wind, no pet, no explanation. The parents removed the crib. The rocking motion still shows up in that corner of the room, on schedule, every night since. Number 9. A doorbell camera in a quiet neighborhood recorded a tall figure standing at the edge of the driveway, motionless, for nearly 2 hours. It never triggered the motion sensor. It never moved. And when the homeowner checked at sunrise, there wasn't a single footprint in the frost leading to or from where it had stood.
Number 8. An apartment hallway camera caught a resident's door slowly opening by itself every night around midnight for 2 straight weeks. No one was ever in frame. No draft, no faulty hinge was ever found. The resident moved out before the 3rd week began. Number 7. Overnight security at an empty warehouse recorded a thick fog-like shape drifting between the shelving aisles. There was no fog machine, no leak, no dust in the air that night. The shape moved against the direction of the ventilation system's airflow, something that, according to the building's own engineers, shouldn't have been physically possible. Number 6. A parking garage camera recorded a car's headlights switching on and off over and over at 3 in the morning. The engine never started. No driver was ever inside. The car had been parked there, untouched, for over a year. It belonged to a tenant who had already moved away. Number 5. A convenience store's brand new security system, installed that same morning, somehow recorded old, grainy black and white footage of a customer in clothing from decades earlier. The store had never used analog cameras. The footage shouldn't have existed on that hard drive at all.
Number 4. A nanny cam kept catching a toddler laughing and talking toward an empty corner of the playroom every single night at the same time. The parents assumed imaginary friend until the audio picked up a second, much lower voice, quietly responding back. Number 3. A backyard trail camera set up to catch deer instead caught something crouched at the tree line, facing directly at the lens, unmoving for 6 hours straight. Its eyes reflected the infrared flash in every single frame. By morning, whatever it was gone, without a single track leading away. Number 2. A office building's night shift security guard reported feeling watched on the same floor every single shift. When he finally reviewed the archived footage from months earlier, he found himself already standing in that exact hallway on a night he insists he was never scheduled to work. And number 1, a rural home security system recorded a single frame, just one, of a face pressed directly against the outside window, at an angle a human body should not have been able to reach from the ground. The homeowners reviewed the footage before and after that frame. There was nothing there, just that one frame, and then nothing again. Cameras are supposed to give us proof. Sometimes they just give us more questions. If one of these got to you, imagine reviewing that footage yourself, alone, at 3 a.m. Subscribe, because next time, we're going even deeper into the footage no one can explain.